gonna be cutting my hair today. Just made a coffee. I want to finish my coffee, sit down for about half an hour, then I'm going to continue finish taking out my hair. It's still in these plaits. You can see I started taking this one out, but I've got my little raggedy plaits back here because I've taken the 7 bit out, so yeah. But yeah, so I don't know if you guys can believe it, but I've never cut my hair. I know, no one come for me, because girl, I'm not meant to be a hair girl, never cut my hair before. My hair journey has been a journey and a half. So I've been braiding my hair, well, braiding / doing my hair for about like 10 years. With that being said, at the beginning of my like hair journey, should we say, like doing my hair, I tried to find some pictures, but I was insecure about my hair. Okay, I live in the UK. There's not, but there is more now, but there wasn't much like stuff when I was growing up. Girl, I just had a bunch of white friends as well. Ain't nothing wrong with that, but girl, I just want their hair. So I was straightening my hair all the time. Obviously, didn't really think about that. I got my hair permed all the time, straightening my hair all the time. And the last like, I don't know, even just like 5 years or so, I like my natural hair. I've like come to terms with loving my natural hair. Even though I still would like a little silk press every now and again, a little something so it ain't so stiff, but you know what I'm saying? But I just want to be like those girls who just, you know what I'm saying? Just run your fingers through your hair. Ew. But yeah, so I used to be like that. Yeah, but it is what it is now. I just want my hair to be healthy, and when it's healthy I can straighten it, so it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, but I just woke up the other day thinking I just need to cut my hair. Like I'm getting length, but the length ain't lengthened because it's all broken off and stuff. So, but I will see you guys on the flip side. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stick around for more. So I cannot be touched. You have something big good, you want it bad and you need it. I don't want to be feeling dead, so I said that I was needing. I thought you would be real, I thought you would be right. As I'm taking this plait out, I hope my hair's moisturized. If it's not, girl, it's because, did I explain I had my hair up before, so might be a bit oily, probably is more oily towards the front. Anyways, let me take this out. We'll do 2 sections for this one and see how it goes. First snip. That's crazy. I don't know what the hell that cut was. Okay. I maybe could have did more sections. Hold on. Let me half this section. Ow. That's tight. Let's just do it. Do more. still giving see-through vibes, but it is much better. A little bit. Let's see. There's a good few sections of that. Because that was in the first cut. All that needs to go. Don't come for my technique. I'm sure I'm gonna stress myself out when I watch this video back. Girl, I think I'm a hairstylist. I need to stop. I'm gonna cut all my hair off in a minute. This is just the bottom bit. It's already looking better, to be honest. It's not the most even, but I'm gonna keep on seeing. I'm gonna keep on seeing straggly bits. I'm gonna be bold in a minute. This is probably why God has never told me or given me the green light to cut my own hair, because this is actually addictive. I want to cut it all off now, and I will regret it. how nice those ends look now? Like, they're so much more nice and blunt than all straggly. I look like a cartoon character, like someone's arms and legs. Anyways, this is all of the hair that I cut. It doesn't look like a lot, but I promise you, there's a lot. Like, look at my hair. Like, honestly. Tune in for the next hair vlog, hair video, because you should see the shrinkage on these bad boys. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.